The federal government and the Texas government are locked in a bitter dispute over the state's authority at the U.S.-Mexico border. Presidential candidate Nikki Haley says Texas could simply pull away from the union if it wanted to. Paul Spade checks that claim for PolitiFact.
Can any state just secede from the U.S. if they want to? Well, that's what former U.S. Ambassador and South Carolina Governor Nikki Haley said back in 2010. And when she was asked about those comments on the Breakfast Club radio show, she said this.
What was the context of it?
I think you said you believe that states have the right to secede. That's what you said.
Do you believe that the states of the United States have the right to secede from the Union?
I think that they do. I mean, the Constitution says that.
I think states have the right to make the decisions that their people want to make.
She said it's Texas's decision to make if they want to secede. But is that legally allowed? Constitutional law experts all told us the same thing. No. They pointed to this Supreme Court case from 1869 that also involved Texas. The court considered this question: did Texas still have standing as a state to claim U.S. bonds even though it joined the Confederacy during the Civil War? Their decision? Yes, because it never had the right to leave the Union in the first place. Even some of the nation's most conservative legal minds have held this view, including the late Justice Scalia. He wrote a letter years ago saying if there was any constitutional issue that actually was resolved by the Civil War, it was that states have no right to secede. That's why the Truth in Media rates Haley's claim false. Now, Haley has since walked back her comments since being on that radio show. Check out what she said in our story at WREL.com.